today I'd like to ask about negative beliefs which created from bad experience in their people this life or even their past lives. And right? Is that okay with you? And before this, would you tell me about your energy work? Channel things a little bit more specific. Yeah.
Sure. So my process, everybody's a little different, and my process is really like a hybrid. So it's energy work and information, and it all comes together to facilitate wholeness. That's what I say. And there's layers to that, because we have the physical body, the mental body, the emotional body, and the spiritual body, and they're kind of all overlaid. And what happens is that we through this life and other lives, like you said, we sometimes go through experiences that are traumatic. Or there's a heaviness there, or it gets hurt, and that ends up getting penetrated, kind of impregnated in a way into our field, and it causes stuck energy. And so part of what I have a background in energy work, but then I also connect to your higher self. The spirit guides, the masters, the angels, sometimes loved ones that are crossed over, and ETs, the earth, pets, you name it, right? Because everything's alive. And everything's really communicating to us all the time, but we aren't open all the time to hear it. So I'm also connecting then to information in that way, where I'm getting, and when I turn on and I work with somebody, it is all about them, 100%. And I am reading through your field. I am hearing, deeper parts of yourself. A lot of times it's the soul, and also then it might be a guide or a master that's working with you that is going to communicate messages to you that are important for right now. It's always about what's important right now, and so it kind of works together. So I'll be moving energy to help release blocks and clear the limited beliefs and all those things, and then bringing in new energy to help support this really like your true alignment, I like to say. Your true purposes, your true alignment, so that you can come into this life fully and manifest your dreams and your wishes and what you're here to do and be, right?
Belief system.
Yeah.
It's very important.
It so is. And that's a whole thing too. That's kind of my specialty. And you asked about that. Thank you, because that's kind of my specialty. Because what I believe is, and what Spirits works with me to do, is to help clear limited beliefs and contracts, imprints. Because like I was saying earlier, it gets stuck in from this life or another life. And when we have trauma, when we have a sorrow or hurt or something of this nature, where even if it doesn't feel good or something, even in our childhood, when that kind of, then we surrender over to that, and it comes in like a wave, it creates a belief system.
Right.
And in that belief system, it's a loop, and it says, this is the way it's always going to be. This is the way it's always going to be. And if it's enough of an impact, it gets embedded, and then it becomes a belief that you don't even know it's a belief, and it creates your reality. It literally creates your reality and creates this loop. So that's why a lot of people come to me, and we're going to go to that route, because you say, well, why do I keep getting this relationship with this person, or with a man like this, or a female like this? Why do I keep getting a job and the same kind of feeling keeps happening? It's because of a limited belief in agreement. And so that's what we'll do. We'll pull those out, because when we can pull those out and come up into a conscious choice, that's what I like to help you do. You don't know that you had a choice maybe in that moment, but then when we bring it in, that you see and feel what it is, and a lot of times you might cry or feel it, because then you can really accept it and let it go too. It's kind of all happening at once. Then you can come into immediately more of your true self and what you really want to be, and then creating good things happening life too. Because that's what I say, like when I'm working with someone, I want to see what programs are running, because it's like a computer. We literally have programs running that are buried in our subconscious, and that we don't even know, but they're creating our reality every day. And so that's why it's important to work with people, you know, and a lot of people come to me because they know it already. They feel stuck, or they feel that they're not able to move forward, or, you know, they keep finding themselves in these situations that are like, give me a break, you know, but they don't really know how to figure that out. So I'll work with you and we'll figure out what some of these core things are, and we'll start to shift it. And then you can start to receive more freedom. And it's a process, but when you really start to see and know what that's about, then you can really have healing.